Hi, my name is Ellie and today I'm going to be going through my top 5 tips from using the Ooni Karu 12 pizza oven. Let's do it. The Ooni Karu 12 can be used as a gas or a wood-fired pizza oven. This gives the oven a lot of versatility when you want to cook your pizza or other dishes. When you use the wood burner with this oven, you heat it up with the door on. That means you'll get a hotter stone at the front than you would with a gas burner. The gas burner can only be used with the chimney but not with the door on. The door must remain off during the cook and for warm up. So it's been designed for you to use the gas burner with the chimney on and the door off. And for the wood burner, it's been designed that you use it with the door on and the chimney on, just like the other wood-fired ovens. You can cook in the Ooni Karu 12. It's a personal choice, but you can cook with the door off. So you can cook with the door off using both the wood burner and the gas burner. The reason why I do cook with the door off on the Ooni Karu 12 with the wood burner is because the flame at the back is big enough for me to cook my pizza in. If you have a burner at the back of your pizza oven that doesn't give a strong flame, then that's going to be not as easy to do. But with the Ooni Karu 12 it is. You've got a nice sized grate that holds decent sized, kindling sized logs and lump wood, and that gives you the opportunity to build up a good flame when you need it. And that's why I can actually cook with the door off using this oven, because the grate has got enough room for me to put my lump wood and some little logs in there to give me that flame I need to do that. The reason why you need a big flame for cooking with the door off is because you need it to draw towards you and up the chimney. This will ensure that you get your pizza cooked properly and as quickly as it possibly can. If you do prefer cooking with the door on, this oven is just great. You'll do that and it'll do it very fast. I sometimes cook with the door on. I do prefer cooking with the door off, and this oven does it very well. The stone of the Ooni Karu 12 is a bit thicker than the other stones that I have in the other pizza ovens of this size. That means a thicker stone gives you better heat retention. So when you are heating up your oven and you've got the wood burner on there, you have to ensure that the stone doesn't get too hot, because it does retain the heat very well. So what I do is I put my wood burner on, I heat my oven up, and I sometimes find that I've gone a bit over. I'm trying to get a heat of about 430 to 450 degrees centigrade in the center of my stone. Sometimes I go over that, it goes up to like 480 degrees. I need to bring it down, and I do that by quickly putting a cast iron pan in there. That'll bring the temperature of your stone down by about 100 degrees centigrade every 60 seconds. After lots of cooking, you've been cooking for a while on the stone, the back stone temperature really does keep that heat in. Place a small pan to the back of the oven and that will draw out that heat, because the last thing you want is to overburn your pizza at the back when you're rotating it. This isn't the issue with a gas burner. You don't normally ever get those exceedingly high heats with a gas burner. You're pretty much hovering around maximum of 470 degrees centigrade in the center of the stone. I've never had to use a cast iron pan to bring the stone temperature down with a gas burner flame, but I have with the wood burner, and it's a handy thing to have. If you're not familiar with wood-fired ovens and you're a bit reticent about buying one, please don't be. You just need to know a few basic things. I've done a video about how to light the Ooni Karu 12 here with logs and lump wood, so please check that video out. But I'll just quickly go over here how I do it. I just put a few pieces of lump wood in, a few pieces of kindling in, light it up, and then after a few minutes, once that's caught, I add in some hardwood logs. That then raises the temperature of the oven. The lump wood keeps it all going and also increases the heat in the oven. I never cook without using lump wood, because I feel lump wood gives it that strength of heat that you need to bring it up to temperature. And as I cook my pizza, I also always have a continuous amount of lump wood in there that's burning away, with some fresh logs on top to give me the flame. That's probably why I love wood-fired cooking. It's not hard, it is easy. Bit of lump wood, a few logs, get it going, and then as soon as you put in those slightly bigger logs, hardwood logs, you're good to go. That oven's going to get to temperature in 15 minutes. I made a gas-fired oven video, like the benefits of using a gas-fired oven video, and the link is here. The difference is with wood that you do have more storage. You have to keep bags of lump wood, bags of logs, but there's something about cooking with wood. I do love it. The flame is just so nice and flickery. I don't even know if that's a word, flickery. Gas is easy, but wood is fun. Having a clean stone is really nice to have. Gotta admit, my stones do tend to get dirty. I don't have accidents, but somehow they do get dirty from, I don't know, build-up of semolina and flour and things like that. But it's really important to get the stone clean as often as you can after you've had a good cook in there. With this oven, the wood will burn everything off. So as you heat up your wood-fired oven, that will totally burn off all the debris on your stone. Just flip the stone over after you finish cooking for the day, because the wood fire will burn everything off. If you're just using the gas burner with this oven, just turn the stone over as you would normally do it. But if you find that it has built up debris with the gas and the gas burner is not burning it off, add some wood to your wood grate and do it that way, just to burn off your stone. Overall, this oven is super for using wood, and it's also super for using gas. It does need a chimney for both the gas and the wood burner, which means I can't cook undercover using those, but I also use my original Ooni 3 gas burner in this oven, and I don't need to use the chimney with that, so I can cook when the weather's not certain that I'm going to get some drizzle. I like to cook without a chimney, so having that option as well. But with a new burner that's just come out, it's been designed to be used with that chimney. So this is a fantastic oven. It cooks up to 12-inch pizza. It does it really well. It's got a nice thick stone. You have super pizza coming out of this oven. Really solid door to it. I've made a review of the Ooni Karu 12. Please check the video out here. You might find that useful. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I've certainly enjoyed making it. You take care. Hope you're okay, and I'll see you soon. Bye.